Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make green beans and mushroom stir fry. Ingredients: you will need about 4 to 8 ounces of mushrooms, about 12 ounces of green beans, half of an onion, 2 garlic cloves, and you'll also need some sauces such as this chili garlic sauce for spice, this Golden Mountain seasoning sauce for some saltiness, oyster sauce, and then you're going to need cornstarch and water to make a slurry. Start by adding water to a pot and then add in the green beans. Let it come to a boil and cook for about 5 minutes. Meanwhile, peel your onion and then go ahead and dice it. Then mince the garlic. And medium slice the mushrooms. Now we are going to thicken the sauce using cornstarch. Combine 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and 1 tablespoon of cold water. Go ahead and stir it into a smooth paste to create the slurry. Set aside until ready to use. In a pan, add a tablespoon of oil. Move it around to coat evenly, and then go ahead and turn the heat to medium-high. And then you're going to add in your garlic and saute for about 1 minute. And then you're going to add in the onions. Saute for another minute or until translucent. After about 5 minutes, check the green beans and make sure that it's tender, and then go ahead and add it to the pan. Next, add in the mushrooms and then stir to combine. Add about a tablespoon of oyster sauce, 2 teaspoons of seasoning sauce, and chili garlic sauce to taste. Stir to combine, making sure everything is coated evenly. Next, add in the cornstarch thickening sauce, and then go ahead and mix everything together. And that's all to it. You may eat it by itself or with some white rice. Enjoy!